It is recommended that you remove the connector pipe from your stove so that you can clean your chimney without sending soot down into the narrow exhaust path of the oven. Removing the connector pipe also allows you to properly clean soot from around the oven. Chimney cleaning can be difficult and dangerous. We recommend having the chimney cleaned and inspected by a licensed professional chimney sweep. The exhaust path of the stove flows around the sides, back, and top of the oven. The exhaust path should be inspected and cleaned every 2 months along with your chimney. With a 7/16 wrench, remove the 3 burn tubes located in the top of the firebox. The entire baffle will now come down and out of the stove. From inside the firebox, use the soot brush to clean soot from the sides of the oven. The brush handle is bent in a manner that allows you to insert it up along the sides of the oven. Slide the brush forwards and backwards, angling the brush to reach all areas of the oven sides. Reaching through the flue collar, use the brush to clean the back wall of the oven as far as you can reach. Only use a vacuum that is designed to collect ashes. Again, reaching through the flue collar, use the brush to clean ash from the top of the oven as far as you can reach. Finally, remove any soot that has fallen into the firebox. Pay special attention to the ledge in the corners of the oven. Soot will settle in this location when cleaning. After you have thoroughly brushed all the areas around the oven exhaust path, you can use the vacuum to clean up the firebox of the stove. You are now ready to reinstall your baffle. It is recommended that you add a copper-based anti-seize lubricant to the bolts before reinserting them into the stove. While holding the baffle up and all the way to the back of the stove, reinstall the burn tubes. The front and middle tubes are identical. The rear tube has less holes. Reconnect your pipe and you are now ready for a fire. If you are not able to remove the connector pipe to clean the chimney, you can run a brush up through the stove by removing the oven cleanout plate in the ceiling of the oven. Cleaning the chimney using this method will cause soot to fall into the oven of the stove and will need to be cleaned once the chimney is clean. If you do not remove the connector pipe, you still need to thoroughly clean the exhaust path around the oven.